Yeah, she's playing go sick. There's her. And here's Jimmy. She got a blanket over his head. He's being peekaboo, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo, oh, peekaboo. Yeah, he playing peekaboo. He likes to play peekaboo, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. Here's Jimmy playing peekaboo. Jimmy playing peekaboo, peekaboo. There's Brandy scratching her butt. Her butt must be itching. Say hi. Say hi. Are you gonna get mad and throw things like you did earlier? Try to follow the movies and you were throwing stuff. Yeah, you were. There's Mom's baby girl barking at me. Handy candy. Oh, not handy, baby. My handy baby.
Handy!
What is my handy candy? She's my pretty girl. She's my pretty girl. Her name is Handy Candy. And she's a pretty girl. She's so old. She's 17 years old. She's got a bad tumor. She can't get up anymore. She's so old. Look at you. I think I should tickle you. Yeah, I should tickle you. Tickle you. I should tickle you. And what's he doing? Watching YouTube on the TV? Or playing it on his phone? What's he doing? What is that? What is that?
What?
What is that?
You're looking at my fat ass, aren't you?
Don't say that for YouTube. Say you did something today. You mowed the yard today? Did you do something?
Nope.
What are you watching? You looking up girls?
No.
Yeah, you like to look up girls, don't you? Are you looking up that one guy that's got a big old Jeeper? Jeeper. Jeeper Trooper. Jeeper Trooper. Turn that off. Baby kitty in the kitchen, baby kitty in the kitchen. Her name is Lucky. Oh, such lucky. And then that Patches and that pretty old girl. This is Lucky. Lucky is a good girl. Then we got Dora. Dora, nothing but a Dora. Dora. I don't know where Dora is. You know where Dora is? 'Cause I don't know where Dora is.
I'm just worried about going away for a year and moving on progress. I don't think I'm crazy, but
Are you gonna get mad and throw things again? Because you should get spanked.
No, you're not.
I spank you.
No, you're not.
I should spank you. Don't suck on the kitty. They're not nice to suck on kitty's tail. You're 20 years old. You shouldn't suck on kitty's tail. Wonder if Haas got that brand new car with no plates on it. That black new car went by again.
Is it smoking your tail though, Paul?
What you doing? Scrubbing your head? What you doing? Oh, what you doing? Look at that belly. Look at he got big bowl belly. Look at that. Look at that. He got big old belly. Yeah, he just fell over. He fell over. He fell over. He hit rock bottom. He fell over on the floor. He hit rock bottom. Boom, boom, he went. Don't you like it? He fell over. He hit rock bottom. And that kitty going ape shit because she's got her. She don't like her. That kitty going ape bad. Give me baby. And Mama got baby now. Baby. And here's Jimmy. He does it so good. He calls the cat. And the cat comes. He calls Patches and Patches come. That's Lucky.
Erase you completely, so it's as if you never existed. Because you have to understand that there is no future with me.
Where's Blondie?
A career and marriage.
Ow!
Do you know where Blondie is? Do you know where Blondie is? Where's Blondie?
Is that going to work? I'm going to wake up every morning.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to pick up the chair and with one hand.
Ow. Put it on me. Ow. What?
Well, you flipped over. Where's Blondie at? Then who is this one?
Hey, that's Dora.
Hey, stop it.
Lisa.
Who's this one?
Lucky bastard. Lucky bastard. Hey, lucky bastard.
That's Lucky.
I like Lucky. I saved Lucky's life.